Mike Lester CH. Mike Lester CH.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been long since I posted something on my YouTube account or YouTube channel and just post about tennis matches. Now, I'm going to do something else, which is the unboxing. I have been planning to buy a tripod for my vlogging because I actually don't have what I normally have. If you notice me singing, I actually use this one. This is actually a stand for a microphone. For the microphone, I just removed this part for the microphone and I just placed my phone here for vlogging. And then I feel that it's quite uncomfortable sometimes because I really have difficulty when it comes to the distance that I really like or prefer. And then yeah, it takes me time to assemble this one or to do a set for this. And so I have been planning to buy online. So you know already Lazada, Shopee, those things. And then I just have some bad experiences before, like I bought the wrong brand or the wrong type, and then yeah, it's a waste of money. So I decided to buy or to check the city. So I went to Cebu City, particularly at SM, and then I was looking for a tripod, but they don't actually sell there. It's quite difficult to buy a tripod in the city. So it's better online actually. But fortunately, I was able to find one at when I visited the SM North Cebu, actually the Cyberzone, and there's one store there. They're not selling the tripod, but they're selling the ring light. So tripod is basically a plus or a freebie, I mean. So it actually cost around 750 pesos, and then it was originally around more than 1,000 pesos. So it was just like about around 25% discount for me, but still expensive. Yeah, it's still because I need it. So I actually have it here. So let's have this one is really the one they're selling, and the tripod is the other one. So this is the ring fill light, and then it's actually very useful when you would like to have some selfies or you'd like to focus on your face when you do your what do you call that, for anything, like even vlogging. So yeah, basically it makes your face and eye in PD, and then you can actually have some options for the colors, so different intensities. So I'm gonna open this first. Okay. Alright. Oh. Have to be careful. It's not fastened, so something might fall when you open this one. I guess this is quite common. This is 26 centimeters. And then, yeah, it's quite big. It's good. I believe it's a medium size because I noticed some that are bigger than this. Alright, let's see some parts. Okay. So you can see here the ring light itself, and then it has its like where you can press for the turn on and off. Then I believe this is for the intensity, brighter or not brighter, and you can also choose the color for this one. So yeah, we'll be explaining, or we'll be saying more when we're going to set it up. And next, yeah, these are the other parts. So yeah, normally this is the one, same this one. So you actually have very basic. Yeah, this one first. So this is the one where you put the phone, and then this one is to connect here, and this one is used to fasten. So I'll just fasten it a bit, right? And then yeah, and this one is for mounting. So this is the screw to tighten this one. There's actually a ball, so you can move it anywhere. Here you can fasten. so it's not moving anymore. Let's have it that way first. Okay. And next, we're gonna open this one. Oh my god. So here. Okay. Ayan. Sometimes you need to be careful when you open some boxes because like this one is also not actually like what they call that there's a one that fastened this one so it will not fall. This one doesn't, so you have to be careful. Alright. And let's remove. Is there something loose? Not at all. So let's continue. So yeah, this is a tripod already. This is my not so talented part. I really don't know how to open a tripod. I do this way, but I don't know if it's correct. And sometimes I do it this way. Alright. And then just have to fasten this. Okay. And then next is you loosen this part so you can have it higher. Oh, it's really high. So it reaches more. Hi guys, let's continue here. So this is already I had this up and then fastened already. Now we're gonna, you actually see here there's something black, so you just have to remove this one because this one actually protects. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to have this one. Okay, so we're pressing it. And then afterwards, we're gonna have this one. Okay. And then actually, I have to press this part to be sure. Okay, because it looks, it's kinda. Okay, the next is this one now. Then a while ago, so normally you have it this way because it's always good to prepare the pan on landscape mode. Okay, and then I'll just get another phone here. Okay, here's my other phone. So just have to put it here. Okay, and then actually the most important is this part because it's really the ring light which one is selling the USB stand. Okay, and then actually they just have until here, so you need for this one so that this would be able to have it plugged in. So I have here, but you can always have something smaller than this. So this is from my other phone. Well, I have my extension here, cord here, and then just turn it on. And this one here inside. And let's check. if this will work. Hopefully. Oh, it's working very well. I'm very surprised. It's like you have a halo. Halo. And then let's check the others. This one at the middle. So I have something here at the middle. Okay, so if you will press this one, it will be the color. So you have two options. This is warm, this is cool. And then you can see here, there's at the other ends, both ends, there's a positive and negative. So I believe this is too bright for me. Let's adjust. Okay. So here you can press it once in a while, or you can press it for long. So I did it once in a while and I see no effect. So I changed to a long press, and then this is ready. Then let's have it plus. Okay. So how about this color? And then let's have one. Okay. I feel it's better to have the warm color. Wow. Alright. Looks great. Then, I'm very happy I can have something already. So I just have to put it in a ring light, and then I see that the ring light can be very useful. So I'll just have a try if it really looks good using a ring light. Okay guys, let's try now using the ring light, so you can see the difference. Okay, so if you turn on, it's gonna be brighter, so you can see more. Actually, there are lots of boxes, lots of things for unboxing. And then compared to you turn it off, so there are some parts you can see. Actually, my phone also, I turned on the light, so that's why it's a bit bright. So if you will go on this one, it'll be like this. So I can be seen better. And then let's have the other color. So the warm color. Okay. Yeah, you can have options for this one. For this one, when it's quite far, I prefer this. Let's see how having it up brighter. Oh, it's really clear and clear. My face looks clearer. And how about the other color? Okay, so I look tan with this one. Is this for what do they call that? For tanning? Alright, yeah. So you can see here that this one can be very useful for you. And I see that there's really it's an advantage if you have a ring light. Before I really thought that it's not necessary to have one, because I just can rely on the lights from the house, from of course inside the house, because normally I'm just inside the house for singing. And then I see now that there's a really big advantage if you have a ring light. Well, it's a good thing right now that I decided to buy. And then yesterday I really had difficulty looking for this one. The first few stores I visited, they don't sell this one. It's really hard to find. And then luckily there was a guy, he was just randomly visiting the other store, though he works in another store, just visiting there. And then yeah, he offered that we actually have a ring light and the tripod is for free. So that was a blessing for me. That guy was really a blessing for me, and it's the last stock. So even though it's 750, I really decided to buy it because originally it's 1,000 pesos. Alright, I'm actually checking on my phone, and then I just want to check how much it really costs online. So this one actually costs now around, yeah, it really varies, but most of the time it's around 500 plus. But the good one, like this one is a strong one, so it's really around 1,299. And then remember that we have the Shopee and Lazada, they're gonna have that 12-12. So it's basically like the 11-11, 10-10. So it's basically you will have that kind of big discount. So right now, I noticed that most of the ring lights here are having a discount. Even the stand, there's around 50 to 70%. So you can already buy this at a lower price. So yeah, you have here 300 plus, 200 plus. So basically around between 250 to 500. So yeah, big discount. Even you can reach to 700 if you really want the strong ones, the sturdy ones. Yeah, good. So I would advise. Yeah, it's really my experience. It can be very difficult. I don't know in your place, but it can be difficult to buy at the mall. Hopefully there is, but better to buy it online and then take advantage of the sale, because this one is really really cheap, so you can really save. The down disadvantage is basically, of course, if you were able to buy the good one, because you cannot physically touch it and inspect. And then the other one is that it's December, so it may take a long time for you to buy, or actually I'm sorry, to the delivery of the tripod and the ring light would really take time. So I guess it's still early right now if you would do it. So yeah, do it well if you you really want to. And then I see that there's really a big advantage for you if you have a ring light. And then especially for me, because in my channel I do singing, I do some solo covers. So this one would be very effective for me. I guess that's it. And then kindly like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and push that notification bell so that you'll receive updates about my latest posts. I'll be doing more unboxing. As actually I did some more. I had a early Christmas purchase for myself. So I have lots of gifts and I have lots of surprises for this December. So stay tuned with that. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.